Biodiversity conservation a great proposition of residual wilderness of India is now under great threat. Its unique landscapes are stringing as the intensive forms of agriculture and industry. Growth spreads through a process called development. Modern science has serious debates about the possibility of the long-term we also blame the government for inaction. However, how many of us actually do anything about our own environment? Survival of the human race, if man continues to degrade natural habitats, extinguishes millions of years of evolution through an extinction spasm and looks only at short-term gains, the extinction of species cannot be reversed. Once a species is lost, it is gone forever. Future generations would hold us responsible for this great loss. We frequently forget that we are a part of a great complex web of life, and our existence depends on the integrity of 1.8 million species of plants and animals on earth that live in a large number of ecosystems. The following are some of the things you can do to contribute towards our ecological security and biodiversity conservation. Thus, for biodiversity conservation, 1. Plant more trees of local or indigenous spaces around our home and your workplace. Encourage your friends to do so. Plants are vital to our survival in many ways. If your urban garden is too small for trees, plant local bushes and creepers instead. These support bird and insect life that form a vital component of food chains in nature. Urban biodiversity conservation is feasible and can support a limited but valuable diversity of life. Similarly, if you live in a apartment, grow a terrace or balcony, garden using potted plants. Window boxes can be used to grow small flowers for flowering plants, which also add to the beauty of your house. Four, wherever and whenever possible, prevent trees from being cut, or if it is not possible for you to prevent this, report it immediately to the concerned authorities. Old trees are especially important. Five, insist on keeping our hills free of settlements or similar encroachment. Degradation of hill slopes leads to severe environmental problems. Six, when shopping, choose products in limited packaging. It will not only help cut down on the amount of waste in landfills, but also helps reduce our need to cut trees for paper and packaging. Seven, look for ways to reduce the use of paper. Use both sides of every sheets of paper. Send your waste paper for recycling. Eight, buy recycled paper products for your home. For example, sheets of paper, envelopes, etc. 9, reuse packets and gift wrapping paper, recycle newspaper and waste paper instead of throwing it away as garbage. 10, do not use books and magazines to schools, hospitals or libraries. The donations will not only help these organizations but also will reduce the exploitation of natural resources used to produce paper. 11, participate in the events that highlight the need for creating sanctuaries and natural parks, natural tracks, open spaces, and saving forests. 10, support Project Tiger, Project Elephant, etc. and join NGOs that deals with environmental protection and nature conservation. 13. Involve yourself and friends in activities carried out during Wildlife Week and other public functions such as tree plantation, drives and protects against destruction of the environment. Do not for biodiversity conservation. 1. Do not present flower bunches. Instead, give a potted plant and encourage your friends to do so. Second, do not collect unnecessary booklets and leaflets just because they are free. Three, do not use paper plates and tissues or paper decorations when you hold a party. Thank you. Have a nice day.